Hi Charles, today we're taking a look at these items from a brand called Kraftgeek. Now this one is the JustTap magnetic phone tripod in the white color. Now this is a 65-inch tripod, so it's like a full length tripod that you can use mainly with MagSafe style phone attachments on the top here. So if you have one of the newer Pixel Google phones, that should attach here, or you have a case with a magnetic attachment that fits, with Apple ones, that would magnetize to the back of this. This also does have a weight of 455 grams or 15.8 ounces. The maximum height is 66 inches and the minimum is 13 inches or 33 centimeters. This also does have like a Bluetooth connection to your phone, so you can press this to start recording, which is a great feature. Now this also detaches, so you can use this wirelessly, which is also really cool that they just thought of everything here. But I think the main thing about this one that makes it so interesting is that it's reasonably light, but it has this kind of quick release function. So it has a little arrow pointing down. So basically this is like a button. So what you do is you kind of just drop this, and as you drop it on a solid surface like this, it immediately opens the stand, which is quite impressive because you just kind of drop it on the ground and it opens immediately. And it does have rubber on this, so it doesn't harm it when you do that. It is actually designed to do that. It's kind of like those self-opening umbrellas. As you can see, it has a really nice structure in there, and it is very lightweight to hold. But I'll just pop that closed again for a second. You can see it's easy to close up as well, and it clips together. But there's some cool things about this. So when you fold it down, it really neatly fits into there like seamlessly. And it just looks like a nice stand there. With the magnet, when you magnetically attach your phone there, it just magnetically attaches and it's a really solid connection, like it's not going to fall off. So the cool thing about this is that when you pull this out, it actually adjusts forward, back, and this way. So what that means is that when you're using your phone on there, like so, you can actually use it as like a selfie stick. And that selfie stick extends the full length of this phone stand, which is incredibly long. And again, if you did want to use it as a selfie stick and control your phone when it's further away, you can press this button to take the shutter or record. So I think it's a really nice, interesting, and really versatile phone stand, especially if you're using a phone or something like that with this, if you're using your phone as, your recording device. So it's especially good for like TikToks and stuff like that. So this is a really great product. I definitely recommend checking this out if you are in the market for that sort of thing. Along with that, they did also send me this one here, which is called the Power Shutter. So I haven't actually opened this one yet. I'll open it together with you. So this will be more of an unboxing. But from what I can see is it looks essentially like it's a shutter and a stand for an iPhone. So we'll have a quick look inside here. It does appear that this has a battery in it, so you charge it here. You can also attach it to tripod camera stands. This is the power button. I guess you press and hold that. So this is actually also a battery. So I guess it has charge. So this should theoretically also charge your phone whilst it's magnetically attached. It does look like here it has another attachment point. I believe that is for the upright stand, and so you could charge it here and use it as a nightstand as well. And then if you're using it like this, that I believe should get into, unless there's some sort of, I'm going to assume that there is a Wi-Fi connection, but it does seem like it also charges your phone whilst you're using it, which is really nice. Yeah, so it looks like it has a Bluetooth connection here. I'm just going to go ahead and connect to it from, let's say, shut off. You can see that that green light indicates it's connected. So it doesn't seem to wake the camera just on that quick test, but it's pretty nice in terms of holding it like a sort of a full frame camera. And when you click the button, you can see it is taking the pictures there. It does seem to be quite reactive. It does seem to have like a fan here as well. So I believe that it might cool the device when you're charging it so it doesn't get too warm. It doesn't appear that holding it down changes the mode, like video mode, and pressing the button doesn't seem like it changes the modes either. So in order to change the phone modes, you do probably need to use the standard iPhone touch panel. But in terms of taking a shutter picture, you can do that with this. But I think it actually really works quite well as a phone stand. So if you did want to use it like a night stand while charging a phone, it does seem like quite a nice way to use it. That's it, a quick look at some of those devices there from Kraftgeek. Especially this one, I do think it's really interesting and worth checking out. So if you are in the market, as I said, for a really cool phone stand that isn't too heavy, easy to throw in your backpack, for filming TikToks and stuff like that, definitely go ahead and check this one out. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.